In today's video, I am going to be making French toast. Now, this is going to be a pretty simple, basic French toast. I'm going to be using 6 ingredients, and let's just jump right on in. So when it comes to making the French toast, the first thing I'm going to do is make a batter. This batter is going to be pretty simple. I'm going to start off with some chickpea flour. Right to this bowl. Next up, some maple syrup. Some plant milk. Some cinnamon. Some vanilla extract, and then to help give it a little bit of eggy flavor, actually I'm going to use some of this black salt. And now I'm just going to whisk this together. The last of my ingredients is some brioche bread. So like I said, this is going to be a pretty simple recipe. So at this point, all I'm going to do is take the brioche bread and I'm going to add it to the batter, and then I'm going to put it into a nice hot skillet and let that skillet, toast up that brioche, and the French toast will be ready to go. Go ahead and add the brioche bread into the batter and get it fully covered, and then add it right to your hot skillet. You're gonna let this cook off a couple minutes on each side, and then the French toast will be fully cooked. And I gotta tell you, it smells absolutely fantastic. You get the sweetness of the maple syrup kind of going in the air along with that cinnamon. So I'm definitely excited to see how this turns out. So you can hear that it's getting crispy. That's all there is to it. So I'm gonna cook off some more French toast pieces and bring this together. Just made some French toast. You saw how incredibly simple it is to make this French toast. Let's try it out. This is really good. So like I said, it's super simple to make. It tastes fantastic. It really tastes like regular French toast. Growing up, I wasn't vegan. I wasn't vegetarian. I ate meat, I ate eggs, and I would have egg on the French toast. And, I enjoyed it. This tastes just like that. It's absolutely fantastic. And one of the secrets is that that black salt actually helps bring out a little bit of sulfur that you get in that egginess. So that works really well in this French toast. This is delicious. Absolutely fantastic. I'm definitely gonna enjoy some more. I have some other great French toast recipes coming up soon, as well as just great recipes in general. So I'm gonna eat some more of this French toast, and I'm gonna be seeing you back here real soon, because I'm your friend with food benefits.